Once the IDF is evaluated as inventive and novel, the IP cell proceeds to create a patent application and assign it to a law firm. The IP cell enters the country name, selects the type of application from the drop-down, such as provisional, complete, copyright, design, or trademark, and fills in other required details. The law firm attorney user is then notified of the assigned case, along with a link to access it. Next, let's look at the actions for the law firm user or attorney. The law firm user logs into the portal and can view the application assigned by the IP cell. Details include country, IDF, type of application, company applicants, and more. They can also view the invention details in the Invention Disclosure widget. The user then enters their contact details and acknowledges the assignment. Based on the provided information, the attorney prepares the first draft, uploads it, and submits it to the IP cell for review. The IP cell is notified when the first draft is submitted. They review the draft, provide feedback, and submit it to the inventor, optionally attaching supporting documents as part of the feedback. The inventor reviews the first draft and provides their feedback, either as text or by uploading documents, then submits it back to the IP cell. The IP cell then forwards the feedback to the law firm for incorporating changes in the draft. The law firm or attorney reviews the feedback from both the IP cell and the inventor. Based on this feedback, they prepare the final draft, upload it, and submit it to the IP cell. The same review process applies to the final draft. It is reviewed by the IP cell and then the inventor. If further changes are needed, both IP cell and inventor can provide feedback and submit it back to the law firm, repeating this cycle until the final draft is approved. When the revised draft is uploaded, the previous versions are replaced. However, users can still view earlier drafts in the Versions widget. For example, an older version of the final draft might appear as version 9, while the latest version is shown as version 13 or above. Before filing the application at the Patent Office, forms are uploaded for the inventor's signature. The law firm uploads the form templates on the portal. And submits them to the IP cell and inventor for signatures. The IP cell coordinates with the inventor to get the forms signed. Once signed, the scanned copies are uploaded to the portal and submitted back to the law firm, which then files them at the Patent Office. Once the inventor and IP cell approve the final draft for the patent filing, the law firm proceeds to file the application at the Patent Office. After filing, they enter the filing details, such as the application number, patent title, filing date and priority date, in the portal, and click the Notify Filing button, moving the patent to Application Filed State. This action sends email notifications to both the IP cell and the inventor, ensuring everyone stays updated, reducing delays, and enabling timely tracking of the patent application. Once the patent is filed at the Patent Office, the application is published on the Patent Office portal. The attorney then enters the publication details, including the publication date, publication document, and publication number. The attorney then clicks the Notify Publication Action button, which sends email notifications to the IP cell and the concerned inventor. After the request for examination is filed with the Patent Office, the first examination report, there, is issued and sent to the attorney or law firm. The attorney uploads the report to the portal and submits it to the IP cell for review. To do this, navigate to the relevant patent, open the Prosecution widget, click Add, fill in the required details. Select First Examination as the report type, or another type as applicable. Attach the VAR document. Enter other details and save. Submit to IP cell. The IP cell reviews the first examination report received from the attorney. Based on the findings, they can either approve proceeding and instruct the attorney to submit a response report, or abandon the patent, citing negative findings in the report or due to strategic considerations. Here, let's consider the case to instruct the attorney to submit the response report. Once the IP cell decides to proceed with a response to the examination report, the attorney prepares a draft response and submits it to both the IP cell and the inventor for review. The IP cell and inventor provide feedback on the draft, similar to the patent filing process. This review loop may continue through multiple iterations until a final draft is approved. The approved final draft is then submitted to the Patent Office as the official response to the examination report. The same is notified to the IP cell and inventor. A similar process is followed for other prosecution activities, such as the second or third examination, first or second hearings, oppositions, and other relevant proceedings. Once all examination objections are resolved and no pre-grant opposition remains, the Patent Office grants the patent. The law firm uploads the grant details, such as the grant document, certificate, grant date, and patent number, into the portal and clicks Notify Grant to send email notifications to the IP cell and inventor. After the patent is granted, patent needs to be renewed periodically. Attorney raises the request for renewal and inventor, IP cell has to make decision whether to renew the patent. Now, let's see how to create patent renewal request and submit to IP cell. There are two ways to do this. Navigate to the concerned patent application. Click on Patent Renewal widget. Click on Add Patent Renewal button. Enter the details like start, end, and end date of the renewal. Maintenance fee in the pop-up and click on Done. This will create the patent renewal. To submit the renewal request to IP cell for their approval, click to open the patent renewal and click on top right action button, Submit to IP cell. This will send the email notification to IP cell. Now let's look at another way to create the patent renewal. Navigate to Patent Renewal menu in the navigation pane. Click on the Plus Patent Renewal button. And select the patent renewal needs to be created, enter other details, start and end date, and click on Done. When a renewal request is raised, the IP cell is notified for approval. It reviews the patent and law firm details, then approves or rejects the request. If approved, the attorney is notified. If rejected, the patent is marked as lapsed. For this demo, let's approve the renewal request. After the IP cell approves the renewal, the attorney reviews the details, pays the renewal fees, updates the annuity payment date in the portal, and notifies the IP cell. An invoice for the renewal can also be raised under the Invoices module. Schedules and Due Dates dashboard. Schedules are defined for each milestone along with its timeline. The pre-grant due dates dashboard provides an overview of all deadline dates for each milestone as prescribed in the schedules. Displayed due dates are for next 1 year. For each applicable docket ID, the system displays the scheduled deadlines already added and automatically calculates and shows the due dates in the pre-grant dashboard. The color coding is described as follows. Red, due in next 30 days. Yellow, due in next 90 days. Green, are completed. Similarly, the post-grant due dates dashboard displays all deadline dates for patent renewals, covering the entire term of the patent, up to 20 years.